Welcome to our channel Love with Coding. This video specially for the teachers. Now all the teachers we are teaching through online. After teaching it's evaluation. In this video we are going to see how to collect answer script from the students and evaluate and return the corrected papers back to the students. Everyone we don't have the laptop, so how to do everything in Android mobile phone only I am going to explain today. Further any delay, let's start the video. The first step, you want to post the question paper through WhatsApp or some other media. Once you posted the question paper, we want to create the link in order to collect the answer script from the student. So you need any one Gmail account to in order to create the Google Forms. So first, before once you enter into the login, first go and change. There is a desktop version. It is not going to work in a mobile version. Click in a desktop version. So click your account. So once you click, it is viewable in the desktop version. So once it is displayed on the screen, you can see the top right corner there is your profile. Nearby the profile there is a 9 dots. So click this 9 dots. In this 9 dots there is a option is called as a drive. So click this drive. So still it is in which mode means desktop mode only. So once you can just refresh it. Next is here you can see there is a new. So click this new. So below the new, the last option is a more. Click the more. So you will leads to the Google Forms. So click this Google Forms. So now the Google Forms open. So here you want to give the form name. Now I am going to give, there is a computer science, 12th computer science. There is a demo. So how we going to collect the papers. So automatically here also it is changed. Now there is a color. Click this color. So what is the color you need? Select any one of the color and you can give apply. So it is changed. How to do the further things I will explain. So now you can close this one. Once you created the form in the any browser, next you can open the drive. Okay, there is a triangle symbol. Open the drive. So it will come to this page. So in this drive, this is the first time I am creating. So this is a Google form what we already created in this form. So directly in drive we don't have the option to create the Google form. So once the Google form is created, you can see there is a first one. Okay, the first untitled question. So below the untitled question there is a drop down list box. Click the drop down list box. You will have the set of option. So first one I am going to give, there is a short answer. So what is a short answer means I am going to type enter your roll number and name. So below that there is an option required. That means the student not able to skip this particular question. So it is a mandatory one. So next if you want to give some extra thing for the description for this one means you can click there is a description. So once you click the description, for example I am giving my students they want to enter the roll number and name in this format only. So I am going to give there is a 12D06 the roll number. After that there is a hyphen. After the hyphen there is a student name. Next the end of the name there is a initial. In this format they want to enter. So that's all, it is over. You're going to add another one more question means here there is a plus sign. So click this plus sign. So again here there is a list of options. So here from the multiple choice there is a option is called as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sixth option it is called as a file upload. Click this file upload. It will ask you want to continue. File will be uploaded to the form owner's Google Drive. So automatically all the responded files will be come to our given Google Drive account. So give continue. So here we want to add something. So upload your test answer scripts here. Okay. So if you want to specify it is only in a particular format also, you can specify only PDF format. Only the PDF format alone we going to accept it. So once you are giving, there is an option allow only specific file type, enable it. So what is a file we going to get? Only there is a PDF file. So how many PDF file you going to get? There is a 1. Otherwise if you are going to get as a image means maximum you can get as a 10. So 1, 5, 10. 1 to 5. Minimum is a 1. Maximum is a 10 files you can get it. So I am going to get this only as a PDF. Maximum file size. That means one student file size. I am going to give the maximum size as a 1 GB. It is for only one student. So it is also very important. That's all. Only we added the 2 questions. First one is the student name along with the roll number. Second one, the student want to upload the answer script. That's all, it is over now. Now the very important one, we want to do few changes in the setting. So go to the settings option. So if you want to collect the email ID, you can enable the collect email ID. Next one, limit to 1 response. So for one email ID, they want to submit only one question means you can give there is a limit to 1 response. I am not going to collect email ID. Any number of students from one email ID, any number of scripts they can submit. So next there is a response, edit after submit. So it is not again. The last one is very important. Maximum size of all the files is uploaded. Based on your class strength you can decide. Now I am going to decide 100 GB. Okay, all. For example, you have the 200 students or 100 students or only there is a 10 student. Based on your strength you can decide. So next one, there is a presentation. Show the link to submit another response. So I am going to give there is not required. So what is a confirmation message you like to type means there is thank you students. Your answer script has been submitted successfully. So once they submitted the answer script, they will get the confirmation message like this. Okay. So we give the confirmation message also. Finally, there is a quiz. If you want to make this one as a quiz, why I am going to make this one as a quiz means, once I am giving make this one as a quiz means, we will get the new column, it is a score column. So once we corrected the paper, we will enter the mark nearby it. Otherwise, if you are going to disable means the score column, it is not going to display. So it is based on your convenient, you can use it. So if you need, you can give it. So I am going to click there is a save. That's all, it is creator. So if you want to apply some other color also, click this one and apply the color. You want to insert the header image, click the choose image. You can upload any own images. Otherwise here there is a default images. They're going to write the test. So now I'm going to give which one is applicable. Based on your subject and theme you can give. So it will take few minutes time to in order to insert it. So now you can check everything is okay. So here there is an option is called as a preview option. See the preview dear. So in the preview, so you can see there is a header. Next it is asking, so what is account we are going to means love with coding. So it is asking enter the student name. So second one, we want to upload the file, we want to give submit. If I try to submit means what it is asking, this is a required question, this is a required question. So without filling this 2 question, you're not able to submit your answer script. So finally it is working. So before we are doing, so that's all, we created everything. Now we want to send as a link to the student. So now I am going to select, there is a that triangle one, again I am showing nearby the 3 dots, between the 3 dots and the color there is a arrow. Okay, you want to click this arrow. Here there is, you want to send via either there is a mail Next one is a link. Click this link. So in the bottom there is an option is called as a shorten the URL. So here you can copy this link. So you can see copy to the clipboard. So once it is done, you can go to your any one of your WhatsApp group. Now I am going to paste the link. Okay, what I am going to do now means submit your answer scripts using this link. If you want to specify the date and time also, you can specify. There is no problem. Okay. There is a 12th computer science. So it is uploaded to the students. Now for example, my student going to submit the paper. How he or she is going to submit the paper means they want to already we submitted the posted the question paper. They want to write it in a piece of paper. Once they write it in the piece of paper, they want to scan it through the any one of the scanner. I am using the CAM scanner. So here I am going to enter. There is a 12 D09. So my name is Vivek. My initial is V. Okay, like that I am going to give. Okay, you can give anything. So here there is a add file. So it will open. Here there is an option select the file from your device. So here already I scanned the paper. It is in my CAM scanner. So now I am going to open the CAM scanner. So here there is a my file. I am going to upload the file. Once uploaded, click submit button. Yes, what it is displaying. Thank you students. Your answer script has been submitted successfully. Once the student submitted the answer script in the given link, again the teachers they want to open the drive. So here I am playing both the role. So this is our Google form, 12th computer science demo. Just open this Google form. Once your Google form is open, you can see the top corner. First one is question is selected here. So near that there is a response. So you can click this one. There is a one response. Are you able to see this one? There is a student name. So here there is a Excel sheet file is there. Are you able to see there is a Excel sheet? Create the spreadsheet. So click this one. Create the new spreadsheet. So the same name 12th computer science demo response name. So you can create it. So you able to see this one. So which account you going to use, you want to click it. Now it is open. Now you can see there is a time stamp. So in which day and what is the timing. Next there is a student name. The student file, it is stored in the form of the link. Just you can click this link. See the student paper here. So the students write the test and posted the paper in the given link. Once we collected the papers from the students, we want to use the Lumin PDF to correct the papers. So first open the Lumin PDF. In Lumin PDF, you want to sign in with either one of your Google account. So you can use any one of your account to sign in. So once the students uploaded the answer script through the Google Forms link, the teacher they want to open the Lumin PDF. So you want to sign in with the any one of your account. Okay. So next there is the plus sign in the bottom right corner. Click this plus sign. The first one is a Google Drive. Click this Google Drive. So it automatically go to your drive. So there is a 12th computer science demo. So if you click this one means upload your answer script here. So here we uploaded only one answer script. But once you open this one, how many students they uploaded, all the answer script will be displayed here. So select the first student answer script. So it will take only the few seconds to upload your paper. So I am going to open the paper. Once the student paper is over, you can see the bottom right corner there is a pencil sign. There is a editing option. Click this editing option. In your top left corner there is a 4 icon. Click the third icon. There is a brush. So here there is a color. So which color you want? So usually we will correct the papers in red color. So any one color you can select it. So you can see the thickness of the paper, the pen, everything. So select the thickness. So now I am going to correct the paper. So this question is correct. So there is a 2 mark. So this question also there is a correct. There is a 3 mark. So the first question is wrong. Give wrong. The second one is correct. So give, there is a 1.5 mark. The first page is over. Correction is over. So now I am going to switch over to the next page. Means in your top right corner there is a cross. So click this cross and go to the second page. Now again in bottom right corner click this pen and you want to correct it simply. So everything is correct. So this one is wrong. So this is wrong. So only there is a 3 mark. So this is correct 1 mark. This is also correct 1 mark. Using now itself you are try to go to the next page, means it will display like this. So if you want to undo, you can click this undo option. So whenever you are going to switch over to the next page, you want to click this cross one. So now I am going to calculate the total 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11.5. So I want to provide the total mark. So whenever you are going to provide the mark, click this bottom right corner. There is a edit. So the total mark is 11.5. Out of there is a 15. So click the close mark. So in the bottom right corner, nearby this edit option, there is a share. So click the share option. You can store it in your drive and you can save it. Otherwise you can send through the WhatsApp or you can directly send through the classroom. All the options are here. Either you are using the Microsoft Team or Google Classroom, whatever it may be. Now I am going to send through the WhatsApp. So I am sending the paper through the WhatsApp. So now the student will open the paper and see the mark, what is a mistake, everything. See, the paper is correct. So it is a very simple way in this COVID-19 crisis period. Easily we can correct the paper and we can return the paper back to the student. Thank you. See, now the duration of the examination, it is only 1 hour. So now I am going to open the drive. So what is our Google form name means it is a 12th computer science. There is a demo. Just you can click the demo. So here nearby first one is a question, the second one is a response. So still now only one student submitted the answer script. Click this response. Here there is an option, it is called as a accepting the response. You can disable it. So no accepting the response. So you want to give the message means the test get over by 10 a.m. So like that, if you want to give any message, you can just give. What are the things you are doing here? Everything is automatically saved in your drive. Okay, you can see now the time is 12 o'clock. So already we send the link to the student through the WhatsApp. Now the student try to submit the paper. Now you can click this link. You can see. So the student will get the message that test get over by 10 a.m. So if you want to stop the response, so you can set the duration of the test also. So if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel and like the video and share the video to your friends also.